Every 19 seconds, a senior somewhere in the world falls, not because of an accident, but because their legs simply gave up. Doctors call it sarcopenia, the silent muscle loss that slowly steals your balance, your strength, and your freedom. But what if the solution isn't in the gym or a pill? What if it's already sitting in your kitchen, waiting to bring your legs back to life? Welcome to Agewell, where we uncover real science for a longer, stronger life. Today, we reveal the surprising foods that can strengthen your legs and help you walk like you're 40 again. Agewell. Live smart, live strong, live long. After 50, the human body loses up to 1% of its muscle strength every year. By 70, that can reach 30%, making even simple things like climbing stairs or standing from a chair exhausting. It's not just getting old, it's a loss of muscle fuel, the nutrients your body needs to move, lift, and live. But here's the truth most seniors don't hear. You can reverse this. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to Agewell, because every week we share powerful ways to stay strong, mobile, and healthy at any age. Let's begin with the first discovery. Researchers have found that two simple foods, bananas and walnuts, can dramatically strengthen aging legs. These two powerhouses are packed with nutrients your muscles crave. Bananas are loaded with potassium, a mineral that keeps your muscles contracting smoothly. Without enough potassium, your legs cramp, shake, and tire faster. Just one banana gives your muscles the signal they need to fire properly, keeping your steps steady and your balance firm. But potassium is only half of the story. Your muscles also rely on magnesium to repair micro-tears after movement. And that's where walnuts come in. Walnuts are one of the richest natural sources of magnesium and omega-3 fatty acids, both essential for muscle recovery and reducing inflammation in the joints. These healthy fats lubricate your joints, protect your nerves, and calm the inflammation that causes stiffness and pain. Together, bananas and walnuts create a perfect natural synergy. Potassium improves blood circulation to your legs, magnesium repairs tired muscles, and omega-3s reduce the swelling that limits movement. In one study published by the Harvard Health Institute, seniors who added these foods to their daily diet showed better balance, improved leg strength, and fewer falls within just 8 weeks. Here's how you can use them. Every morning, eat one ripe banana with a handful of walnuts. You can mix them into oatmeal, a smoothie, or just enjoy them as they are. Drink a glass of water with it, and you've already given your muscles the hydration they need to work efficiently. Do this daily for 2 weeks, and you'll start to feel it. Less stiffness in the morning, stronger legs during your walks, and more energy throughout your day. After 4 weeks, many notice they can walk longer, climb stairs more easily, and recover faster from fatigue. It's that simple. Nature built the answer before medicine ever tried to replicate it. If your legs have been feeling weak, heavy, or unstable, this small change could be the turning point. Bananas and walnuts, two ordinary foods with extraordinary effects on muscle health. They don't just feed your body, they help restore your independence, your mobility, and your confidence. Remember, aging doesn't have to mean losing strength. It means learning how to nourish it, because every small daily choice builds a longer, stronger tomorrow. Please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps push useful content for a longer and more stable living. And that's what we believe in here at Agewell. Agewell, live smart, live strong, live long. If you found this helpful, watch our next video, The Morning Drink That Keeps Your Heart Young. See you there, and remember, your best years can still be ahead of you.